Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I will show you how to generate AI image using Canva. First of all, head over to Canva from your favorite browser. Then, simply you can click any designs. I will choose this Facebook post. Over here you can see this apps. Click on apps. Then you can just scroll down and here you can choose Magic Media. Then here is text to image. Over here you can describe your image in your words. Let's choose something like handsome man enjoying in beach. Then click on generate image. It will take some time and your image will be generated by AI in Canva. You can see here our first option is generated. Wait for a while and let's see. Let's choose this one. You can see here how realistic and beautiful image it has created. You can just drag on a timeline. Also you can set this image as background. See how realistic and high quality image it has generated. In this way you can generate AI image in Canva. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.